Hey, Cruisers and Drylanders! Most people experience Cabo San Lucas through an excursion, but today I decided to do something different. No tour, no schedule, just me and the harbor. What I didn't expect? This marina is massive, winding in every direction, full of hidden corners, local shops, fishing boats, and waterfront views that just keep unfolding. I set out on a full walking loop, all the way from the cruise tender dock to the beach and ending at iconic spots like the office and the Corazon Beach Club. Let's go explore! For over 3 decades, I've been painting ocean scenes for my collectors worldwide, and now I spend a lot of time chasing them from a deck of a cruise ship This time in Cabo, I decided to skip the excursion and take a walking tour instead. Starting at the marina, I followed the harbor all the way around, winding through every turn and edge until it finally opens up to the beach. The full loop takes around 45 minutes. And from there, it's another 15-minute walk along the sand to the Corazon Beach Club. In Cabo, you have to take a tender to get ashore. And once they start calling the numbers, you know it can take a while. If you have elite status though, you can grab a priority tender ticket and get off the ship a lot faster. Oh, those tender boats. Always feels like you're packed in like sardines. Right at the start of the walk, you'll spot Senor Frogs, kind of a classic Cabo bar, always lively. You'll notice a lot of water taxis here, and at the end of the day, I'll actually take one of these from the beach to the marina. Here you'll also find the local excursion boats, fishing trips, boat tours, and day outings you can book right here at the marina, usually without any advanced reservations. There is an endless stretch of open-air restaurants and waterfront seating. Here is a quick view of Captain Tony's, Solomon's Landing, and Baja Cantina. And you guys know I'm an artist, so I have brand new cover-ups with my art on them. And so check them out. I'm pretty tall, I'm 5'9", and it's nice and long for me, but check out the exact size before you buy on my website, JSFA Jenny Simon. And you can wear them over your bikini or wear them with jeans in the winter. Looks fantastic. All right. Here, there is a really interesting display showing what the marina looked like back in 1988 compared to today in 2025. It's pretty incredible to see how much it's changed from a simple fishing harbor to this modern waterfront marina that's still continuing to develop. The further you move away from where the cruise tenders arrive, the quieter the marina becomes. And I really love this area. It feels calmer, more spacious, and less crowded than the main landing zone. Then I saw a crowd and had to check it out. Sea lions were just chilling right at the marina's edge on the dock, and pelicans were hanging around nearby too. It was just one of those moments where you realize how much nature is right here in the middle of everything. At the very end of the marina, where it opens up towards the beach, you can see all the boats coming in and out. I just had to stop for a second and take in the view. It was absolutely beautiful. Of course, I had to stop and take a picture here. You can see the ship in the distance before I continued walking down the beach. Even though it was February, the water was warm enough to swim in. It was clear, calm, and the beach here was just beautiful. I kept walking along the beach with the ship in the distance, and honestly, the whole view just felt amazing. It made me really happy. I made it to the Corazon Beach Club. I really like the big lounges here. They're super comfortable and it's just a really relaxed spot at the beach.
Quick interruption, I have to toot my own horn. I'm so sorry. We'll be right back with the video. I'm sorry, my second language is English. I've been making this product since 5 years and I've been giving it away to friends. And now it's finally on Amazon, so I'm really excited about this. It's a sugar scrub with organic coconut oil, lavender oil, and organic sugar crystals. The stuff makes your skin glowing and soft and smooth. Try it out and let me know how you like it. Okay, back to the video. Thanks.
I stayed around at the Corazon Beach Club for a while, had a Bohemia beer, which is a classic Mexican beer, and just took in this amazing view. Then I walked through Billygan's Island, which is a laid-back beachside spot, on my way towards the office on the beach. That area is always pretty lively, and you can also get a really good and affordable massage right on the beach. Eventually, I made my way back to catch a water taxi to the marina, since all passengers need to be back on the ship by 6 p.m. on the water shuttle with the sun starting to set. The ride back to the ship felt peaceful and really enjoyable. Seeing the royal princess up close from the water and circling around it before boarding was honestly such a great moment. What a perfect way to end this beautiful day. Thanks for watching. I am Jenny Simon, artist and ocean lover. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like and hit subscribe so you won't miss what's coming next. Thank you.